First of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Wang Xiaoyang. Many of you know me as Sunny. I come from a not-so-famous city in China called Guangzhou. I also come from a very traditional and conservative family. To give you a better idea of what that means, I'll tell you this. While most parents are so excited to be here today, my parents are actually extremely upset right now. They were upset 2 years ago when I came here as well. And here's why. I am 24 years old and I'm not married. How scary is that? In my culture, I'm one of the leftovers. For those who don't know the term, leftovers are women who are too old to be single. One of the downsides of being raised in a traditional and conservative family is you aren't really encouraged to explore or change. Because I am a woman, I should be quiet. Because I am a woman, I should try to find a nice guy and settle down before I'm too old to be on the market. Because I am a woman, I should get a stable job right out of college and avoid risk at all costs. But because I am a woman, I know I don't have to follow those rules. Because I'm a woman, I can break through. Because I'm a woman, that circle can no longer hold me.